In today's digital age, a reliable smartphone security solution is essential. Factory Reset Protection, FRP, is an important information protection security feature. However, many users forget their Google account information or buy a second-hand device with FRP enabled. While there are many generic FRP tools on the market, most of them are not well compatible with POCO phones, especially the POCO C40. In this video, I will show you why the POCO C40 needs a dedicated FRP bypass tool and how to use it step by step. The POCO C40 runs on Android 11 with MIUI, and unlike other models, it has stricter FRP security patches. Generic tools or APK tricks often fail because POCO C40 blocks unofficial apps and APK installs. The device doesn't allow easy access to settings or browser from FRP screen. Android security updates have disabled many old tricks. That's why you need a tool that's 100% compatible with POCO C40 and tested on Android 11 to 15. We tested multiple FRP tools, and the one that consistently worked for POCO C40 is DroidKit. Works on POCO C40 and other Xiaomi, Redmi, Samsung, Oppo, or Realme devices. Compatible with Android 6 to Android 15. No need for the previous Google account or password. Bypass FRP after factory reset in just a few clicks. Supports both Windows and Mac. Firstly, free download DroidKit on your PC, and select the FRP bypass mode. Now connect your POCO C40 with a USB cable and click on the Start button. After that, the configuration file will be prepared for your device. Now click the Start to Bypass button, then follow the instructions shown to put your device in recovery mode. Then hit the Next button. Then follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. After completing the setting, it will start to bypass the FRP lock. When the bypass process completes, your POCO C40 will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your device. If the POCO C40 you're using was previously owned by someone else, you can try asking the original owner to remove the device from their Google account. Firstly, signs into Google Find My Device account, then select the POCO C40 from the list of devices. Now tap Erase Device and then remove it from their account. Once done, restart the POCO C40 and complete setup. The FRP lock should be gone. DroidKit is indeed the best POCO C40 FRP unlock tool. If you find this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time.